This is the home page of our Ohm's law simulator. Ohm's law is the law which relates voltage to current and resistance. The first page demonstrates a simple circuit which has an ammeter, a voltmeter, a battery, and a resistor. Using the slider, the learner can change the voltage of the battery. If I change the voltage, it shows me a pop-up which tells me about the effects of changing the voltage on the voltmeter and ammeter. And changing the voltage further, I can see the needles move in the ammeter and voltmeter as well. Then I can plot these values on the graph. So the first value is 1, 10. And once I plot my first point, it shows me that I have to plot more points. Then I can move it further to 20 volts and then plot the new values, which are 2 and 20. And then finally to 30 volts and then plot the points 3, 30. And once I have the points, I can use my hint, which shows me that resistance is actually voltage upon current. And then the second hint shows me how to calculate the slope of this graph, which is actually the resistance. So if I hover on this point, I get the x and y coordinates of this. Then I hover on this, I get the x and y coordinates of this point. Using that, I can calculate the slope, which comes out to be 10. If I enter a wrong value over here, then it will show me that the resistance value is incorrect. So I have to enter the correct value, which is 10. And then I go to the second page, which has the series circuit. Similarly, we urge the learner to explore this page by themselves. And I will just enter the correct value to go to the next page. And parallel circuit is the last page, so that the students can even learn about parallel circuits. Once they find the value and enter the correct value, which in this case is 15, they will be redirected to the home page, so that if they want to refresh any of the concepts, then they can do it on the home page and start their journey once again. For the code aspect, we have hosted our code base on GitHub. For the programming languages and frameworks, we have used HTML, CSS, and Vanilla JS. The HTML pages are index HTML, series HTML, and parallel HTML. Each of them are connected to each other using JavaScript and jQuery. For UI components, we have used the default HTML components such as sliders, and then we have used libraries such as Sweet Alert, and for plotting we are using chart.js. This script tag over here is a demo of how we have used Sweet Alert to show the pop-ups on our website. And in level 1 JS, level 2 JS, and level 3 JS, you can see the implementation of chart.js.